Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your life on the road a whole lot easier, the 180 psi tire inflator portable air compressor. We stumbled upon this handy device while browsing online and thought it was worth a closer look. If you're interested, we've added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the 180 psi tire inflator? Simply put, it's a powerful, portable air compressor designed to inflate car tires, motorcycle tires, bike tires, and even sports balls quickly and efficiently. With its compact design and advanced features, it's an essential tool for anyone who spends time on the road or enjoys outdoor activities. Let's break down some of its most impressive features. First off, this air compressor is powered by a high-performance 25,000 revolutions per minute motor, which delivers an airflow of 36 liters per minute. This means it can inflate a standard car tire from 28 psi to 36 psi in under a minute, 6 times faster than traditional electric air pumps. This speed is a game changer for those unexpected situations when you need a tire refill in a hurry. Another noteworthy aspect is the one-click operation and auto shut-off feature. It comes with 5 preset inflation modes tailored for different needs: car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and a custom mode that can go up to 180 psi. The precise pressure sensor continuously monitors the inflation process and automatically stops the compressor when the desired pressure is reached. Additionally, it powers off after 3 minutes of inactivity, which not only conserves battery life but also helps prevent overheating. Speaking of battery life, the 180 psi tire inflator is equipped with a high-capacity rechargeable battery that allows for extended use between charges. Plus, it includes a car cigarette lighter cord, so you can use it directly from your vehicle, making it a perfect companion for road trips and emergencies. No more worrying about running out of battery when you need it the most. But that's not all. This tire inflator also doubles as a multifunctional emergency tool. It features a super bright LED flashlight with 3 modes: SOS, flashlight, and strobe. This is especially useful during nighttime emergencies when visibility is limited. Additionally, the top section includes a USB-C charging port and a 5V/2A USB output port, allowing you to charge your phone or other devices while on the go. One of the standout features of this portable air compressor is its dual digital LCD display. It shows both real-time pressure readings and preset values simultaneously, which is incredibly convenient. The smart pump core boasts an accuracy of plus or minus 1 psi, ensuring you get the right pressure every time. The large LCD screen is also easy to read, even in bright sunlight, making it a breeze to monitor your tire pressure. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a car owner, motorcyclist, cyclist, or even someone who enjoys sports that require inflatables, this tire inflator is a must-have. It's especially beneficial for those who frequently travel or go on road trips, as it provides peace of mind knowing you can address tire issues quickly. In practical terms, whether you're preparing for a long journey, dealing with a flat tire at home, or just need to top off your bike tires before a ride, this portable air compressor has got you covered. Its compact design ensures it can fit easily in your trunk or backpack, ready for action whenever you need it. In summary, the 180 psi tire inflator portable air compressor combines speed, convenience, and multifunctionality in a compact design. With its array of features and thoughtful design, it's an invaluable tool for anyone on the move. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.